Hey guys, Tony here with Nothing But Car Reviews, and today I have a super awesome product for you all. I'm reviewing this Carpuride 11.3-inch wireless car stereo. And what makes this thing so cool is all you need is a 12-volt power source and an aux input, and you really don't even need the aux input, but you can run this in your car without having an aftermarket radio. So let me go ahead and tell you what I have here. Wireless Apple CarPlay, super responsive. I can pull up my maps. I can use the Siri through the maps. My text messages will show up if I get a text. I can use the phone if I want to here. Go to my recents, use the keypad, and it'll just dial like it would in any other radio. And I mean, it looks so good, and it's really a nice add-on if you don't have the money, or if you don't feel like spending the money on getting a whole new aftermarket radio. Like this here, I could get a wireless Apple CarPlay stereo for $1,000, or I could just run this here and then I can take this anywhere I want to go. So this thing is one of the most portable sound systems you can have. And on top of that, you have speakers behind the radio. So if you don't have a sound system in your car, or if your speakers are blown, or heck, if you just are on a boat and don't have access to hook this thing up to something, now you can take it on a boat as well. So, but I mean, if you have that issue, you can just play it through the system itself. But the thing is just so awesome. What's really great is the EQ here. I can really delve into sound waves and whatnot. I have presets as well, and then I can set that loud on and off. Clocks over here. I can adjust the freaking brightness if I want to. Really easy. The touchscreen is super nice, and I can adjust the volume for the device speaker as well. But like I said, FM, Bluetooth audio, USB card reader, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You could use the wired one as well. You can even hook up a backup camera to this thing. So it's just it's so fantastic. I can't say enough about it. Just a great tool. Now I do have the windshield mount here, but you also have the option to get another kind of mount. So if you have a flat surface here, you can just stick it to the dashboard and then have it up that way. But I love this because, like I said, you could take that anywhere. Pretty much every vehicle is going to have a windshield. Not every vehicle is going to have, like mine, for example, the whole dash is curved, so it's kind of hard to get a flat surface to stick the other mount on. But having the windshield there, it's just perfect, and it looks so good as you're driving down the road. I got a lot going on here because I have a rear camera mirror as well, but just a fantastic product again. Wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, wired CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, FM, USB, SD card reader. I mean, that's all you need. And for this system, save yourself 75% as opposed to getting a whole new radio and then having to get that hooked up at your local car audio store. And like I said, all you need is a 12-volt here, aux cord there. You can even get a shorter one. This is the one that comes with it, but if you don't like seeing the cord there, you can get a shorter one. It'll run on any aux cord. And then this here, this power source, it's just a USB-C, so you can hook something else up as well if you want to plug it in the actual house and use it. So again, fantastic product. I want to give a huge shout out to Carpuride for allowing me to review this product and let me test this thing out. Has had no hiccups so far. Don't plan on it having any if it's like my other system. Just a great radio, and it's a great price as well. So thank you all for watching the video. Make sure you like. I'll leave a description below of the system a little bit, and I'll also leave a link so you all can get 10% off on one of these if you want to. And then I'll leave a link to Carpuride's main site so you can see all the other awesome products that they have. So thank you all again. I'll catch you on the next one.